everyone, my name is Misha Udayaraju. I am studying in class 4. I am going to say few lines about Gandhiji. Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and he was also famous by the name of Bapu. Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2, 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. His father was Karamchand Gandhi and mother Putlibai. He was married to Kasturba at the age of 13. Mahatma Gandhi attended early education from Ahmedabad. After passing matric examination, he went to England for higher studies. He studied law and realized the importance of education in life. He felt that education is the only medium that could build a strong nation. Gandhiji's main teachings are non-violence, truth and love to all mankind. Gandhiji took part in freedom fight in India. He was a great freedom fighter. Gandhiji is known as the father of the nation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rohini Kulkarni. I'm studying in 7th standard B section. Today, I'm going to give a speech on Dandi March. Dandi March was a non-violence protest against British's monopoly on salt production. It was initiated by Mahatma Gandhi on March 12, 1930. He led a historical Dandi March from Sabarmati's ashram in Gujarat's Ahmedabad to the village Dandi, state's coastal areas. He passed 4 districts and 48 villages. It took 24 days to reach Dandi. Mahatma Gandhi started this movement with 78 volunteers. Later on, thousands of people joined this movement on his way. This movement played a significant role in civil disobedience movement against the salt laws. Mahatma Gandhi conducted this movement to oppose the salt laws of British. Under this law, Indians are restricted to produce or sell salt. Mahatma Gandhi was also arrested for illegal salt production at midnight on May 4, 1930. This led to boycotting of Britishers' clothes and goods. Later on, Indians started to oppose laws and taxes produced by Britishers, including the land revenue tax, Chowkidar tax and others. Thank you. Happy Gandhi Jayanti.
Good morning to everyone. This is Bhumika from 7th. Today I am going to say about Mahatma Gandhi and Satyagraha. First, let's know about Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Father of Nation, was born on October 2, 1869 at a small town named Porbandar in Gujarat. Now let's talk about the Satyagraha. How Satyagraha was named? The terms originated in a competition in the news sheet Indian Opinion in South Africa in 1906. Mr. Maganlal Gandhi, grandson of an uncle of Mahatma Gandhi, came up with the word Satyagraha and won the prize. Subsequently, to make it clearer, Gandhi changed it to Satyagraha. Satyagraha. The term Satyagraha was coined and developed by Mahatma Gandhi, who practiced Satyagraha in the Indian independence movement and also during his earlier struggles in South Africa for Indian rights. Satyagraha theory influenced Martin Luther King Jr. and James Bevel campaigns during the civil rights movement in the United States, as well as Nelson Mandela's struggle against apartheid in South Africa and many other social justice and civil movements. Thank you. Happy Gandhi Jayanti.
A very good morning to one and all present here. My name is Sanjana. I am studying in 8th. Today I am going to give a speech on Dandi March. Dandi March Day is observed in India from 12th March every year. It is held in commemoration of Dandi March done by Mahatma Gandhi from 12th March 1930 to 6th April 1930. It was a mass movement started by Mahatma Gandhi against the unjust salt tax imposed by British government over the production of salt by Indian farmers. Also called Salt Satyagraha. Dandi March was a 384-kilometer march that Mahatma Gandhi took from Sabarmati Ashram, Ahmedabad to Dandi and then called Navsari. Gandhi started the march on 12th March with around 80 of his closest associates as they progressed approximately 10 miles every day towards Dandi. They were joined by many others from the villages they passed through. When the march reached Dandi, 24 days after its start, on the morning of 6th April, around 50,000 people were part of it. Many historians consider Salt March as a significant event in colonial India which united Hindus and Muslims in the freedom struggle. To commemorate the vision of Gandhi in uniting the people of India over an issue as minuscule as salt, Dandi March Day is celebrated in India every year. Many political parties, social organizations, and common people from all walks of life enthusiastically take part in the march. Senior political leaders, ministers from the state and centre all take part in the march. Dandi March Day is primarily observed in Sabarmati Ashram and also at Dandi in Gujarat. People and politicians gather to pay respect to the leader who initiated a series of non-violent protests, taking the nation on the path of independence. Thank you. Happy Gandhi Jayanti.
Good morning. My name is Arushi Joshi. I am studying in 10th B. Today I am going to say about Dandi March. The Salt March, also known as the Salt Satyagraha, Dandi March and Dandi Satyagraha, was an act of civil non-violent disobedience in colonial India led by Mahatma Gandhi. The march lasted from 12th March 1930 to 5th April 1930 as a direct action campaign of tax assistance and non-violent protest against the British salt monopoly. Another reason for this march was that the civil disobedience movement needed a strong inauguration for the people to inspire and follow Gandhi's example. Gandhiji started this march with 78 of his trusted volunteers. The march spanned 240 miles from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi, which was called Navsari at that time. It took 24 days to reach Dandi. Nearly 60,000 Indians were jailed. The Salt Satyagraha led to the boycott of the British clothes and goods. Gandhiji was arrested for the illegal production of salt at midnight on May 4, 1930. The Dandi March ended on April 5, 1930 in Dandi when Gandhi defied the salt law by picking a lump of salt. After this, millions of people broke the salt law and salt depots were raided everywhere and the manufacture of salt was undertaken. This march played an significant role in challenging the British. Since the non-cooperation movement of 1920 to 1922, it directly followed the Purna Swaraj Congress on January 26, 1930. Thank you.